Today, we're diving deep into a review of Chez Mimosa Petite Free Laundry, located in Ho Chi Minh City. Let's find out if you should stay there. To book this hotel at the best prices, check out the links in the description below. So, what makes this hotel special? This hotel offers a prime location just a short walk from popular attractions, making it an ideal base for exploring Ho Chi Minh City. Guests can enjoy modern amenities, including air-conditioned rooms and complimentary laundry services, alongside a welcoming atmosphere provided by the attentive staff. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Tao Dan Park, 10-minute walk, Museum of Ho Chi Minh City, 13-minute walk, Na Rong Wharf, 16-minute walk, and also close to attractions like War Remnants Museum, 17-minute walk, Saigon River Tunnel, 3-minute drive, Vietnam History Museum, 5-minute drive. Let's see what other travelers had to say about this hotel. I absolutely loved my stay at Chez Mimosa Petite Free Laundry in Ho Chi Minh City. The friendly and helpful staff made me feel right at home, always ready to assist with a smile. The spacious and clean room provided a comfortable retreat after exploring the nearby museums and nightlife. I absolutely loved my stay at Chez Mimosa Petite Free Laundry. The staff were incredibly friendly and helpful, and the location couldn't have been better. Just a short walk from museums and right in the heart of Saigon's vibrant nightlife. The room was clean, spacious, and had all the amenities I needed for a comfortable stay. I highly recommend this hotel for anyone visiting Ho Chi Minh City. I absolutely loved my stay at Chez Mimosa Petite. The staff were incredibly friendly and helpful, providing excellent recommendations for nearby attractions and dining options. The hotel's location was ideal, just a short walk from museums and right in the heart of Saigon's vibrant nightlife scene. Let's see our ratings for this hotel based on the traveler type. For families, 8 out of 10. For couples, 8 out of 10. For friend groups, 9 out of 10. For solo travel, 7 out of 10. Next, let's see our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 7 out of 10. Cleanliness, 8 out of 10. Service, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you. For the best prices, remember to check out the links in the description below. Have a nice trip.